Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi A4 B8 steering wheel. Disconnect the battery and wait 2 minutes to disable the airbag system, then remove trim pieces carefully. Extract the airbag using a Torx T30, unplug connectors, and set the module aside in a safe place. Mark the steering wheel position, loosen the center nut, and use a puller if needed to remove the wheel without damage. Always prioritize safety when working on your Audi A4 B8 steering wheel. Wear gloves and eye protection, and never work with the battery connected to avoid airbag deployment. Keep small parts organized with a magnetic tray and use the correct Torx and socket sizes to prevent damage. Take photos as you disassemble to guide reassembly, and consult Torx specs for the center nut before final tightening to ensure proper installation. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping for effortless floors. I like how it frees time after a wrench-and dust session, making cleanup simple. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Common mistakes can make steering wheel removal harder or unsafe, so take your time and follow steps carefully. Avoid pulling on wiring or forcing connectors, and never pry the airbag module with metal tools. Keep track of clock spring alignment by marking its position before removal to preserve steering controls. If the wheel is stuck, apply penetrating oil to the hub and tap the hub gently, not the wheel, to free it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.